Hi, I'm Martina from CoffeeCup. You're interested in our CoffeeCup project lifecycle? Then stay tuned. As a project manager, you maintain your clients in a CRM like HubSpot. With the connection to CoffeeCup, you can hand over the deals and contact data directly into the project board of CoffeeCup, where all clients and projects are managed. With a sync, you can see at a glance in your CRM as well as in CoffeeCup all important KPIs like budget or profitability, for example. Automated workflows help you also to reduce your effort to manage two systems. In CoffeeCup, you move on with the planning of a specific project. Let's choose the SAP project. You need an ABAP developer for this project. To find the right person, you can view here a list of all your employees and their availability. To streamline the selection process, we can filter the list by skills. Let's choose ABAP as the filter. Great, the list has now been automatically sorted with the employees having the highest availability for the selected planning scope at the top. In this case, Lisa has the highest availability. The capacity, represented by the green bar, has been updated accordingly, and of course all absences and individual working hours are taken into account. Let's switch to the heart piece of CoffeeCup, the project board. In your customizable boards, you can find all important KPIs of the projects at a glance. You can change the project status of the SAP project now to be in progress, so all employees who are assigned to the project can start tracking time on it. And there we come to the work time submission and approval process of CoffeeCup. Lisa has entered her time entries in CoffeeCup throughout the week and now wants to submit her workdays for review. That means she simply clicks on Submit Workday when all entries for the day have been entered. Once the day is submitted, the time entries are locked and they are waiting for approval by a project manager. In the validation view, the project manager can see all the projects for which he or she is responsible, which workdays have already been submitted by which employee for this week, and can be reviewed. If you take a look on Tuesday, you can see the submitted time entries from Lisa. If everything looks fine, simply confirm the entry so the status changes to approved. For this entry, there's a comment missing, so you enter "Please add a comment" and click on Reject. When you now take a look at your projects, you can see that the project is completely approved on certain days, indicated by the green color. Yellow means that there are still pending entries, and red shows you that there are rejected entries. The filters help you to be always aware of your open to-dos through the validation process. Lisa can now simply resolve the issue and submit the entry one more time. To make sure that all entries are tracked accurately and in time, we have our time scoring system. The system combines two different metrics: accuracy and the quality of a user's workday submission. Accuracy represents a user's in-time submission of workdays, while quality stands for successful approval of time entries by a project manager. In a high-level overview, you can see which projects have already been successfully approved, where a review is still pending, or where it has been rejected. This overview is given on a monthly or weekly basis and takes billing periods like starting and ending month into account. You can also generate your invoices directly from here. And that's the last part of our project lifecycle. Let's create the invoice for this SAP project. We continue with our accounting tool EasyBill. Select what should be added to the performance record and continue to EasyBill. In the top left, the client is already pre-selected, and here are the tasks with the hours and the amount. The performance record is also attached to the invoice, of course. Click on Complete, and now you can easily send the invoice to your client, print it, or just save it. That was our whole project lifecycle.